Alright, good morning, pack leaders. This Yen. I just woke up to this here. Looks like we did really well. Already pulled in 620 and it's going up higher and higher. Now, what would I do here? I most likely would probably just take the profit right here as soon as you wake up. Could it go further? Yeah, it probably could. And if it does, great. But we're going to have 20% do the rest of the work. So I'm going to go ahead and take 80% right now and hit that button. For 80, it should create it instantly. Oh, it went up too fast to me. That could happen too, so just hit it again. Sometimes it moves so fast that it clears the limit order. Alright, so now we're just taking $443, and then we're going to go ahead and either DC it back in, or we're going to set our traps for the last 20%. So over here, I'm going to let 20% do the rest of the work here. And the reason why I take it is because you don't know. Once it's up here, it's like it can come crashing down. You get penalized when it does. Might as well take it and compound it so you can buy it back in, or you can set a trap, later on. But right now, I'm gonna be exiting here. Of course, you can always go higher. So we're gonna go ahead and calculate 107 contracts, which is for 5 rungs. That's about right? And then we're gonna go ahead and update the current price, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sell every. I'll put a 2 here. 26. Yeah, that's about right. Let's go ahead and sell the rest of that. And it's gonna go ahead and create more rungs. So as it goes further, this is it. If it pushes further, it'll most likely close us out. And then kind of done. So what can we do here? We can probably Fibonacci from right here, maybe from where we think it kind of started, and it kind of comes out usually either here on this one or maybe up there on that one. And I like to be a little more since I'm DCing in and it's like bull running, maybe a little bit higher than that. So 4986. I'll start my first round. So let's go ahead and do that. 4986. No, actually that's enough. I'm buying, so 4986. And then I'll go ahead and click check this so that we can DC back in. And then I'll go ahead and click this button. And it should create my. Oh, I need to clean this. Yeah, if you have a clean. Oh, sorry, it's only 2, so I don't have to click the button. But you can also clean it by clicking this. Okay. Alright, so that's it for today. Just woke up to $438. That's pretty awesome. And see, maybe it might push up more, maybe not. If it comes back down, we're gonna buy up some more. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. Talk to you then. And happy trading. If you want to get access to this bot, it's a link in the description below. Talk to you then.